On April 10th, 1912, a magnificent spectacle set sail from Southampton, England. The RMS Titanic. Heralded as the pinnacle of luxury and engineering, this grand ocean liner promised unparalleled opulence and, controversially, was labeled as unsinkable. Yet, within a matter of days, tragedy struck. The Titanic's ill-fated journey ended in a catastrophe that would echo through the ages. But what were the missteps and misfortunes that led to such a devastating downfall? Beneath the glamour and grandeur, the Titanic's journey was riddled with a series of unfortunate events and human errors. Days before the ship embarked on its maiden voyage, iceberg warnings peppered the communication channels from other vessels. These warnings, however, were not fully heeded. The crew, confident in the ship's design and their navigational prowess, chose to maintain a near full speed course despite the looming danger. This decision would prove fatal. As the Titanic traversed the icy waters of the North Atlantic, the night of April 14th descended, bringing with it the perfect conditions for disaster. With no moonlight and calm seas, icebergs lurked invisibly beneath the darkened sky. At 11:40 p.m., the unthinkable happened. The Titanic struck an iceberg on its starboard side. The collision caused a series of hull breaches, flooding the ship's compartments with icy water. But the question remains, why did such a catastrophic design flaw occur in what was deemed an unsinkable vessel? The Titanic's designers had indeed done their homework. The ship boasted a series of watertight compartments, theoretically allowing it to stay afloat even if several were breached. Yet, in a tragic oversight, the compartments were not sealed at the top. As water poured in, it quickly overflowed from one compartment to the next, dooming the ship. The human factor in this tragedy was equally critical. The Titanic was equipped with only 20 lifeboats, capable of accommodating about half of the 2,224 passengers and crew on board. This was due in part to outdated maritime regulations and, tragically, the belief that the lifeboats were unnecessary. Even when the situation became dire, the evacuation process was poorly managed, with half-filled lifeboats rowing away into the darkened abyss, while hundreds remained stranded on the sinking vessel. As the night wore on, the gravity of the situation became clear. Less than 3 hours after the iceberg hit, the Titanic succumbed to the relentless assault of the icy waters and vanished beneath the waves. Over 1,100 souls were lost in this maritime disaster. The sinking of the Titanic serves as a poignant reminder of the hubris and complacency that can accompany human innovation. It was a calamity born of both nature's unyielding power and the tragic misjudgments of humanity. Today, the story of the Titanic remains a powerful symbol of the limits of technological advancement and a call to humility. In the aftermath of this disaster, maritime laws were transformed, ensuring such a tragedy would never repeat. Despite the passage of over a century, the Titanic continues to capture our imagination, a haunting specter of dreams dashed against the relentless force of nature.